Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix WhatsApp video call minimize issue on your Android or iPhone. First of all, you have to open your mobile phone settings and here you have to search WhatsApp in the search bar. After that, here you have to click on WhatsApp logo at the top. Here you can see you have to click on WhatsApp logo. After clicking on this, here you have to click on permission at the top. Here you can see you have to click on this permission button. Now here you have to give all necessary permission to your WhatsApp app. After allowing all permission, you have to click on this storage and cache, and here you have to click on clear cache at the right bottom. After that, you have to go to your Play Store. Now here you have to open your Play Store in your device, and here you have to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. After updating latest version, in this way you can fix WhatsApp video call minimize issue on your Android or iPhone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.